Today I'm making a 4-ingredient summer punch. First I have this large pink bucket that I'm going to make the summer punch in. First I'm going to add this whole container of this Hawaiian punch and lemon berry squeeze, and this is 32 ounces. Next I'm going to add 4 cups of lemonade. Next I'm going to add 2 liters of lemon lime soda. Then I'm just going to give that a mix. Next I'm going to add a whole container of sherbet. This sherbet has orange, lemon, and raspberry. Now I have some cups and now it's time to serve up the punch. Here's an up-close look of the summer punch.